Hello, and welcome to Quick Tech Trends with wedigtech. Today we are talking about the top trends and innovations in the e-commerce industry. On this channel we talk about innovations and trends in tech. Subscribe to stay up to date on our future videos. Let's begin. Over the last few years, online commerce has grown at a rapid pace, drastically transforming retail. And this was further propelled by the COVID-19 pandemic, which mandated people to stay at home and purchase online. Did you know that global retail e-commerce sales are expected to reach $6.54 trillion in 2023? And, by 2040, 95% of the retail purchases are most likely to be made online and traditional retail may barely exist. Well, looking at these statistics, one rather clear thing is that the e-commerce market is expanding bigger and brighter each year. It is also constantly changing and upgrading as newer technologies evolve. And this makes the future of e-commerce extremely exciting to say the least. Let's know more about leading trends and technologies impacting the e-commerce industry. First on list is personalized product recommendations. Owing to plentiful options, customers are now craving a personalized shopping experience. They want to feel that someone is sitting behind the computer screen that genuinely cares about them. And it can be as simple as offering a personalized email, specially curated discount vouchers, or otherwise. Even research backs this statement. About 41% of buyers claim that they have switched from companies that they like due to poor personalization. Second on this list is delivery drones. It doesn't seem so distant when delivery drones will be a part of e-commerce. These drones are like flying robots that can help to deliver packages to the customer's doorstep at a much faster pace as compared to human agents. Several companies such as Amazon and Domino's have spearheaded the advancement of drone delivery. In August 2020, Amazon also got approval from the FAA to operate its delivery drones to safely and efficiently deliver parcels to customers. E-commerce with artificial help, AI-enabled chatbots. Smart and intuitive bots are enabling retailers to foster better and more personalized shopping experiences. According to Global Market Insights, the global market size for chatbots is expected to cross $1.3 billion by 2024. These chatbots allow businesses to instantly communicate with their customers and ensure round-the-clock customer support. Besides, they also leverage AI to understand customer likings and provide tailored recommendations. Imagine buying products by just speaking. This is what next tech on the list is about. Voice search for shopping. Voice-enabled shopping has seen a huge surge in the past few years, especially with the rise of virtual assistants. Experts are predicting a further rise in the demand for voice-driven user experiences. According to reports by Juniper Research, voice commerce will grow and reach over $80 billion per year by 2023. Lastly, most convenient and essential on the list is omni-channel selling. Did you know that 73% of online shoppers use multiple channels while making an online purchase? Having an omni-channel presence is a must for e-commerce retailers. Essentially, it means having a unified presence across multiple channels where the customers can interact with the brand. These channels can be apps, mobile websites, emails, social media channels, brick-and-mortar stores, etc. So what does the future of e-commerce hold? Looking at all the e-commerce trends, it is safe to say that the future of e-commerce is going to be full of exciting changes and innovations. As an e-commerce business owner, you must focus on leveraging the latest technologies like AI, AR, VR, voice commands, etc. to gain a competitive edge.